Hello students, welcome back to Let's Learn Vipin Sir classes. Hope you all are doing well. I know it's long time when we didn't discuss any topic, but now we are back with a new video and hope we will continue it. If you haven't subscribed our channel, so do subscribe it to get notification for our new videos. So today's topic is preposition. What is preposition? A preposition is a word or phrase that is used before a noun or pronoun to show place, time, डायरेक्शन एक्सेट्रा. प्रीपोजिशन बेसिकली क्या होता है? ये नाउन और प्रोनाउन के पहले यूज़ किया जाता है किसी चीज़ की जगह, समय और स्थिति बताने के लिए. कुछ एग्जांपल्स देखते हैं. इन, ऑन, बिटवीन, बिहाइंड, अंडर, इन फ्रंट ऑफ. ये सब बेसिक्स एग्जांपल हमने लिए हैं. इन मतलब में, पर, बिटवीन दो चीज़ों के बीच में, बिहाइंड पीछे, अंडर नीचे और इन फ्रंट ऑफ सामने. देयर इज अ स्मॉल एक्टिविटी विच वी विल डिस्कस. वेयर इज इट? इन. Here you can see two pictures. In first picture there are some flowers in a basket. There are some flowers in a basket. And in second picture there are some vegetables and fruits in a bucket. We have used the word in. So now again we will make two sentences. First one is there are some grapes in a basket. Second sentence is there are some apples in a basket. We have used the word in. Now second example, on. On the left side we can make some sentences like there's a computer on the table. A woman is sitting on a chair. On the right side, a man is standing on a brick. A boy is sitting on a table. You can also make some sentences yourself using the preposition on. So now we will see our next picture, on. On the left side, we can make sentences like there is a picture hanging on the wall. There is a chair on a mat. A boy is walking on the grass. On the right side there are some chairs on the grass. We have used the preposition on. You will also make some sentences. Now next, there is a hen on her nest. There are some books on the table. There are some books on the table. Now next example, under. Under means नीचे. There is a child under the table. There is a cat under the table. We have used the preposition under. Now next picture you can see there is a man and there is a child. So there is a man sleeping under the tree. On the left side there is a child sitting under the tree. There is a child sitting under the tree. Next example, behind. Behind means पीछे. First example, there is a table behind the man. There is a table behind the man. There is a tree behind the house. There is a tree behind the house. You can see पेड़ जो है हाउस के पीछे हैं. So behind means पीछे. We have used the preposition behind. You can see three pictures. Now next example is in front of. In front of means के सामने. You can see a board. There is a board in front of a house. There is a board in front of a house. It means एक बोर्ड घर के सामने है. एक बोर्ड घर के सामने है. So don't get confused between in front of and behind. You can also use here the preposition behind. Now next picture we can make sentence. There is a car in front of a house. There is a car in front of a house. Or we can say there is a house behind the car. There is a house behind the car. So now between. between का हिंदी मीनिंग कह सकते हैं दो चीज़ों या दो लोगों के बीच में. Now we can make sentences like there's a girl between a cricketer and a child. There's a girl between two kids. There's a girl between two boys. You can see between दो लोगों के बीच में. Whether it is living or non-living, it doesn't matter. वो लिविंग भी हो सकते हैं, नॉन लिविंग भी हो सकते हैं, उससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. सो आप देख सकते हो जब भी बिटवीन होता है दो पर्सन या दो चीज़ों के बीच में, वी कैन यूज दिस प्रीपोजिशन बिटवीन. नाउ देयर इज ए गर्ल बिटवीन टू बॉयज. देयर इज ए गर्ल कैरिंग अ बैग बिटवीन टू बॉयज. आई होप यू विल ऑल्सो मेक some sentences by yourself. So now here is the homework for you. You can see 3 questions over here. In the first question you have to underline the preposition. You have to underline the preposition which I have used in the sentences. In the second question you have to choose the correct preposition. You have to choose the correct preposition. In the third question you have to make some sentences about this picture by using the prepositions, and you will also have to do underline the or encircle the prepositions which we have used. You can also download this homework as a PDF. I will attach this in the description box. So I hope you have learned some basic examples of preposition. If you like our videos, kindly do like and share. Thank you.